Hi students, today in this video I will explain ionic radius and some important questions what they are giving in the previous examinations. That questions I will explain in this video. You can watch till end of the video. Now in this concept I will explain the ionic radius. So what is the ionic radius? For example, you can assume it is one of the atom. In the atom it is the nucleus, and here there is a presence of electron. Okay students, in the middle of the atom there is a nucleus, in the outermost shell they have the electron. Now the definition is the distance between the center of the nucleus to outermost electronic cloud. The distance between the center of the nucleus to outermost electronic cloud, okay, or outermost ions is called as the ionic radius. Now here, when the neutral atom for example here the neutral atom will lose one electron, when the neutral atom will lose one electron, and in time it will form like a cation. In this time it will form like a cation. When the sodium is the neutral atom, the sodium atom is lose one electron, and in that time it will form like a cation, like a sodium ion. Now the ionic radius of cation, ionic radius of cation is less than the neutral atom. Ionic radius of cation is less than the neutral atom, because the cation has highest effective nuclear charge. The cation is having highest effective nuclear charge than the compared to the neutral ion. That's why the ion is having the cation is having lower size than the compared to the neutral atom. For example, sodium is greater than the sodium plus. Sodium is greater than the sodium plus. Among the cations, the positive charge increases, the ionic radius is decreases. The positive charge increases, the ionic radius is decreases. For example, here Fe plus 2 is greater than the Fe plus 3. So here Fe plus 2 means it will lose 2 electrons, plus 3 meaning it will lose 3 electrons. So Fe plus 3 is greater than the Fe plus 3. Whereas and Sn tin plus 2 is greater than the Sn plus 4. Whereas Pb plus 2 greater than the Pb plus 4. So just you can look at that. Whenever when the same atoms which is having the highest positive charge, that is the smallest one, and the lowest positive charge is having the biggest one. So this is about the ionic radius with the cation. Next one, ionic radius with the anion. So here the anion also definition is the same. The distance between the center of the nucleus to outermost electron or outermost ion is called as the ionic radius. Now when the neutral atom for example, when the neutral atom just it will gain one electron and form negative charge, that is the it will gain one electron to form like a chloride ion. In that time just I am comparing with that chlorine and chloride. Now when the compared to the chloride minus ion is greater than the chlorine, chloride minus ion greater than the chlorine. Why? Because in the chlorine they are the only 17 electrons, but here they have the 18 electrons. Now the radius of anion is more than that of the neutral atom. Here the chlorine is the neutral atom, chloride ion is the anion, so that the negative charged species is having more size than the neutral atom. Now the main reason is here, there is a decrease in the nuclear charge between the neutral atom and ions. That's why when the compared to the neutral atom, the chloride is having the bigger size. For example, if I am taking two elements like I minus is greater than iodine is greater than I plus. Now, whenever they are giving three species, if the element which is having the negative charge, that is the more size. So I minus is greater than the iodine, iodine is greater than the I plus. Along with that, hydride ion greater than the hydrogen and H plus ion. So here the H minus ion is greater than the hydrogen. Why? Because when the electronegative charge is having bigger size than the compared to the neutral atom, and a neutral atom is bigger size than the cation. Okay students, the radius of anion is more than that of the atom due to decrease the effective nuclear charge. Due to decrease the effective nuclear charge. Okay students, and this is about that. And if you are looking into the groups from the top to bottom, ionic radius is decreases. In the top to bottom, ionic radius is decreases. For example, Li plus is less than the sodium plus and less than the and K plus and less than the rubidium plus and less than the and cesium plus. Cesium plus. Okay students, so whereas in the top to bottom the ionic radius is increases, whereas in the periods from the left to right ionic radius is decreases. Okay students, this is about the ionic radius. Now I will explain some bits what they are given in the previous examination. So here the ionic radius order, and titanium plus 4 is less than the Mn plus 7. So once you can look at here, actually the titanium plus 4 is the bigger, so they have the less positive charge, but both are having the 18 electrons. So here first option is the wrong, and Cl minus and Cl plus, actually Cl minus is the bigger than the Cl, so that it is also wrong, and K plus is greater than the Cl minus, and both are having 18 electrons. So here Cl minus is greater than the potassium, so option C also wrong, and phosphorus plus 3 greater than the phosphorus plus 5. So same atoms, but here the phosphorus is have the lowest positive, and here the phosphorus is the highest positive. So option D is the correct. Option D is the correct. Now next one is the correct order of atomic radius. The correct order of atomic radius. The correct order of atomic radius. And first option here they are giving cerium is greater than the samarium, greater than the ytterbium, greater than the lutetium. So here the cerium is the S block element. Okay students, the cerium is the S block element. Remaining all are the lanthanides. So in the lanthanides from the left to right, the atomic size is gradually decreases. So here option A is the correct. And the ionic size decreasing order, the ionic size decreasing order, and K plus greater than the S minus 2. Once you can see here, and potassium they have the 18 electron, and sulfur also they have the 18 electrons. If the two same atom is having the same two different atoms, they have the same number of electrons, but here when the compared to the positive charge, the negative charged particle is the biggest size due to decrease the nuclear charge. So first option is the wrong, and S minus 2 greater than the K plus, S minus 2 greater than the K plus. So once you can look at here, S minus 2 they have the 18 electrons, and K plus they have the 18 electrons, but compared to the positive charge, the negative charged particle they have the bigger size. That's why, and option B is the correct. Along with that, scandium plus 3 and vanadium plus 5. So scandium plus 3, vanadium plus 5 both are have the equal number of electrons, but here is the plus 3 and here it is the plus 5. So scandium is the biggest one, and Mn is the plus 7. So scandium is the plus 1. Plus 3 is the biggest one. So option B is the correct. And among the element with the following electronic configuration, one of the largest size. Once you can look at here, largest size. So largest atomic radius, and here neon 3s2 3p1, that is the aluminum, and here it is the neon 3s2, it is the magnesium, neon 3s2 and 3p3, it is the phosphorus, and it is a halogen. So what they are asking here, Which one of the following electronic configuration one of the largest radius? So first one is the alkali earth metal is the largest size, then the aluminum, then after the then after the phosphorus, then after the halogen. So option B is the correct. Okay students, these are the some important bits what they are given in the previous mains or the NEET paper. So thank you, and keep watch my channel and subscribe my channel. Thank you.